Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Now take the next problem. Yesterday I done, I think, 3 problems. Let's see the 4th problem. Is it okay, Arma? Yeah. Everything perfect. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Anjali. Good evening. Yeah. See the 4th problem. T of n is equal to, try yourself. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. Otherwise, T n minus 2 plus log of n base 2 if n greater than 0. Try this. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. Otherwise, Tn minus 2 plus log n if n greater than 0. You can try now. Today's class, it is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. You can try now. Try now. Those people who are trying, just try once. I will give answer. Yeah, I am fine. Einstein, I am fine. I hope you too. Einstein, I am fine. I hope you too. So I am starting. Everyone see? I am starting this. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. Otherwise, Tn minus 2 plus log n. Right? Let me try. Before starting, let me say one small line. T of 10 is equal to T of 8 log 10. Next one. T of 75 is equal to T of 73. Right? 75. So like this. If you understand what is going on, now you can start. If you understand what is going on, you can start now. Right? Let me do once. Tn is equal to, let me do once. Tn is equal to, I am starting here. See this one. Tn is equal to T n minus 2 plus log of n Yeah, base is 2 only, right? Because he is mentioned base 2, right? Base 2, right? So no need to write every time. Now see the next one. Because of your okay, if you substitute one more time, t n minus 2 minus 2 n minus 4 plus log of, right? See this one. If n there, log of n minus 2 there, log of n minus 2. So because of this one is came, right? Log of n. Right, now let's go further. If I expand one more time, because 3 times you have to do, we done, right? Yesterday also 3 problems I done. 3 times you have to expand. Let me do one more time. N minus 6 plus log of n minus 4, because of this plus log of n minus 2. This log of n. Yeah, I think after 3 rounds over, please verify. After 3 rounds over, please verify what is going on. After 3 rounds over, if you verify, you know very well, whatever answer came after 3 rounds over, indirectly, directly, right? In terms of 3, because you didn't done anything blindly. You done every time same. Every time you done same means, 3 times you done means compulsory some relation going on. So 3 times you done, I got 6. The reason is every time I am subtracting 2, I think so. So I think it is the 2 into 3 in terms of 3 only. And one more, it is a 6 means it is a 4, 2 less. It is a 4 means 2 less. It is the 2 means it is a 0, 2 less. So if you do 3 times, everything is in terms of 3, check. It is the 2 into 3, it is the 2 into 3 minus 2. 2 into 3 minus 2 means minus 4, like that. For confirmation purpose, ask previous one. If you done 2 times, it became 2 into 2, 4. It is the 4 means it is the 2. It is the 2 means it is the 0. If you do one time, it is the 2 into 1. Right? Means 2 into 1. It is the 2 means it is the 0. Because if you are really comfortable what is going on, can you do yourself? If I do k time, if I do k times, then it will become t of n minus 2k. If I do 3 times 2 into 3, if I do k time, right, n minus 2k plus log of n minus 2k minus 2, 2 less, because here 2k minus 2. Next one, log of n minus 2k minus 4, and so on. Lastly, log n. Now, if you observe clearly, according to given problem, see this one. N value 0 means n value 0, t of 0 is 1. N value 0 means t of 0 is 1. Remember, t of 0 is 1. T of 0 is 1. That is the thing what he is saying. So, this value, listen everyone, this value should be 0. Termination is t of 0. Termination is t of 0. It should be 0. Let me write. N minus 2k is equal to 0. N is equal to 2k. K is equal to n by 2. So this value I want 0 because t of 0. Termination is t of 0. So this is 0. N minus 2k is equal to 0. N is equal to 2k. K is equal to n by 2. Substitute. If you substitute k value as n by 2, t of n minus 2 into n by 2. K value n by 2. Plus log of n minus 2 into k is n by 2 minus 2. Log of n minus 2 into n by 2 minus 4 plus log n. Because of everything okay, let's simplify this. T of, I think 2 cancel n and cancel 0. I think 2 cancel n and cancel log 2. Log 4. Log 6 because 2 difference. Log 8. Log 10. Log n. right? Log 2, log 4, log 6, log 8 and so on. I think all are even numbers. Everyone know t of 0 is 1. See the termination. T of 0 is 1. 1 plus t of 0 is 1. 1 plus. Can you help me now? These all are log 2, log 4, log 6 and so on. How many terms are there? Approximately n by 2 because even numbers. Log 2, log 4, log 6, log 8 and so on, log n. All are even numbers. See this one, 2, 4, 6 even number because of only even half. Now this problem is directly. Everyone listen. This problem is directly how to solve this series. This problem is directly how to solve this series. Can you try? How will you solve this series? Can you try? How will you solve this series? How will you solve this series? Can you check once? How will you solve this series? If I do directly, you don't know. You don't know how to solve. Can you check one time? How will you solve? How will you solve this? Check one time. How will you solve this? Yeah. So let me try this. Let me try this one. I think I given correct. I given enough time. All even numbers. See, n by 2 people are there. But when I say even, listen. How to solve this series? How to solve this series? When I say even, everyone listen. When I say even, every even number can be written like this one. See, log 2 into 1. Every even number can be written 2 into something. Log 2 into 2. log 2 into 3. Lastly, log 2 into n by 2. You know n by 2 terms are there. See, you know n by 2 terms, even numbers. Log 2 into 1, log 2 into 2, log 2 into 3 and so on, log 2 into n by 2. So, if you observe clearly, this can be written as 1 plus, see, log mn formula, log mn. Log mn is nothing but log m plus log n. Log 2 plus log 1. Similar way. Log 2 plus, similar way. Log 2 plus log 2. Remember base 2 already there. Next one. Log 2 plus log 3. Log mn formula. Log 2 plus log n by 2. So careful. So because of I know it's an even number, all are even number, every even number can be written as 2 into something. I return. Log mn is nothing but log m plus log n. So if you observe clearly, n by 2 terms are there. Now every term contain 2 people. N by 2 terms are there. Every term contain 2 people. But do you identify or not? Do you identify or not? N by 2 people are okay. Every term contain log 2. Every term contain log 2. So if you observe clearly, 1 plus n by 2 times log 2. By default base 2 there. Every term contain log 2. Check. In every term, first one is log 2. How many log 2's? N by 2 times. N by 2 into log 2 base 2. Plus. In the remaining all the terms, if you see, log 1 is left out in the first one. Log 2 left out in the second one. Log 3 left out in the third one and so on. Log n by 2. Log n by 2. Now if you go further, this can be written as 1 plus n by 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1. N by 2 into 1. Okay, plus. Now see this series. If you observe clearly, log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 and so on, log n by 2. Log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 and so on, log n by 2. Right, log n by 2. This can be written as, I think log m plus log n is log mn. So it is nothing but log of 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on n by 2. Log m plus log n is log mn. Log m plus log n is log of mn. Similar way, log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 and so on log n by 2 can be written as log of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on n by 2. Now this can be written as 1 plus n by 2 plus, right, this can be written log of, this is n by 2 factorial. If n is there, n factorial, n by 2 there, n by 2 factorial. Right, that's fine. Now see this one. 1 plus n by 2 plus, this can be written as, right, n by 2 factorial can be written as, n by 2 factorial can be written as, careful everyone, n by 2 factorial can be written as, right, let me write this one. Log of n by 2 whole power n by 2. Right, fine. This can be written as 1 plus n by 2 plus n by 2 log n by 2. Forget about constant, right? It is only n by 2. It is n by 2 log n by 2. So answer is n by 2 log n by 2. Forget about constant. It will become theta of n log n. This is theta of n log n. Please verify. Please verify. Please verify. Hi. Those people who are watching, any doubt is there, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. You ask me, I will help. See, it is a very big story. Starting only it will take some time. Afterwards it will become easy. See, this is the recurrence relation. It is a given recurrence relation. Right? This recurrence relation I am solving using substitution method. 3 rounds over. This is the story. K rounds. This is the story. Afterwards, n minus 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to n by 2. This is. Then if you simplify, you will get this. So remember log series, even terms. Log series, but even terms. Every even term can be written as 2 into something. Every even term can be written as 2 into something. Now, because of log, right, every even terms can be written as 2 into something. It is a log mn format. Log mn is log m plus log n. This is the log m plus log n. If you do proper simplification, this is. So in every term log 2 there, n by 2 times. So n by 2 into log 2 base 2. Remaining all the terms in every term, if you see the second part, it became log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 and so on log n by 2. So log m plus log n is log mn. So it will become log of 1, 2, 3 and so on n by 2. So this is nothing but n by 2 factorial. N by 2 factorial upper bound is going to be n by 2 factorial upper bound is going to be n by 2 whole power n by 2. N by 2 whole power n by 2. So n factorial upper bound is n power n, right? N by 2 whole factorial upper bound is n by 2 whole power n by 2. Log of n by 2 whole power n by 2 becomes n by 2 log n by 2. So, right? So this is only n by 2. This is n by 2 log n by 2, which will become n by 2 log n by 2. So I think forget about constant, it will become theta of n log n. If anyone having any doubts, sir, this is my doubt, you ask me, I will help. Yeah, I'm expecting one doubt. I'm expecting one doubt from here. If anyone having that doubt, you ask me, I will help. I don't want to raise myself. If I raise that doubt myself, you will confuse. If I raise that doubt myself, you will confuse. My suggestion is, if you have any doubt, you ask me. If you have any doubt, you ask me, I will help. I am expecting some doubt here. Any doubt? I am expecting some doubt from you. There is a one doubt. Any doubt there? Priya saying that, sir, log 2 plus log 4 and so on, log n, we can't written in the form of log of mn. Yeah, you can write, but how will you go further? How will you proceed further? See, Priya, it's a mathematics, many ways are there. Whichever way you feel, you do. Whatever you are saying, that's fine. But afterwards, how you proceed? Log 2 plus log 4 plus log 6 plus log 8, if you make it as log of 2 into 4 into 6 into 8, okay, you return. But how you proceed further? What you are going to do further? Further story becomes difficult. Maybe that is also possible, but it will become more difficult. Nice doubt. Thank you so much for asking. I am expecting one doubt here. I don't know. No one asked me. I will explain. See everyone. Everyone listen. This is going to be tricky. If you don't catch it, you don't get. See this one. Comparing n factorial. Listen. N factorial n power n n factorial n power n power n is bigger. Maybe it is not visible. I will write. Careful everyone. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. See this. N factorial n power n. N power n is bigger. Be careful. N factorial n power n is bigger. But remember, this is true. This is true. Listen, this is true. N factorial omega of n power n. It is wrong. It is wrong. So that means comparing n factorial n power n is bigger. Comparing n factorial n power n is bigger, strictly bigger. That is the reason omega not possible. Big O possible, omega not possible. Because of this reason, listen, because of this reason, n factorial is theta of n power n is wrong. It is not possible. Remember this. Remember this. Remember this. N factorial is big O of n power n true. N factorial omega of n power n is wrong. Because of this reason, theta not possible. See the beauty, theta not possible. Everyone listen. N factorial theta of n power n is wrong. Is wrong. But see the beauty. But see the beauty. Log of n factorial is theta of log of n power n. Is right. This is right. Using Stirling approximation. Using Stirling approximation. This is a very important one. N factorial is theta of n power n is wrong. But log of n factorial is theta of log of n power n is right. Using Stirling approximation. Using Stirling approximation. This is the doubt. Very less people will get it. I thought this doubt will come from your side. It is not case. So I explained myself. Yeah. So Utkarsh is saying one nice line. Utkarsh, whatever you are saying nice, but sometimes it don't work out. Right? Utkarsh, your procedure I will follow if it work every time. Sometimes it will fail. Your procedure, sometimes it will fail. Maybe in further problems you are able to see that. In further problems you are able to see that. I will give that example also. In further problem it will fail. In further problem it will fail. Nice doubt. Utkarsh, nice doubt. Thank you so much for asking. Right? This problem it will work. Maybe few more also it will work. Maybe 80% also it will work. But right, there are some problem it will fail. I will explain that right in further problems. Is there anyone who is having doubt here? Please let me know. Please let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help. Anjali, do you have doubt? Umesh, do you have doubt? Priya, do you have doubt? Everyone, whoever watching, any doubt, please let me know. See, anyhow I am teaching in the YouTube. Let me clarify any doubt is there. Sir, is this rank improvement batch? No. It is YouTube batch. It is not rank improvement batch. Rank improvement batch will be done in the plus class. Rank improvement batch will be done in the plus class. It will be done in the plus class. Yeah, let's go further. Yeah, before going to the next problem, let me say something about Unacademy. For the new people it will work out, right? For the new people it will be useful. So let me say now. So if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam, if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam, your goal is 2024, my suggestion is start preparation now. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, my suggestion is start preparing today. Start preparing from today. If possible, join Unacademy. It will really helpful to you. Join Unacademy. 2024 you are preparing. If that is your target, start preparation from today. If possible, join Unacademy, because Unacademy educators will help you. Unacademy educators will help you. My suggestion is start preparing today onwards. Join Unacademy, because so many good faculties are there. Really they will help you. Really they will help you. And one more thing is you can go for plus also, iconic also. My suggestion is go for iconic, because you will get many advantages freely. Just to take iconic, you can enjoy like anything. So 30% off is going on. 30%. Right? Use referral code ReddySir to get the 30% discount. To get 30% discount, right? Use the referral code ReddySir. Right. Next one. There is a all India level practice tests are there. So December 4th one test, 18th one more, 8 1, 15 1, January 8th one, January 15th, January 22, January 29. All India level practice test is there. It is a free. This test is free. Everyone can write. Use the referral code ReddySir to get this particular All India test freely. Everyone can write. Everyone can write. It is a free only anyhow. You can utilize it. Next one. If you want to join Unacademy, if you have some financial problem, you can go for no cost EMI, zero interest. 0% interest, no cost EMI you can go. It will be approved within 2 hours. Means EMI option also available. Minimal paperwork, flexible tenures. Next one. See the next one. There is a one batch is going on. See from 2024 GATE exam purpose, Ignite batch is going on. 2024 purpose, Ignite batch is going on. Ignite batch for 2024 going on. See, morning 6 a.m. Morning 6 a.m. Algo is going on. Morning 6 a.m. Algo is going on. Right? So 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. See, in YouTube I am unable to complete the total subject. Whatever is possible I am doing. They given only 15 hours. They given 15 hours. Tomorrow is the last class. If you want to get total algorithm followed by remaining all the subjects, my suggestion is please join the plus class or iconic. Morning 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. algo going on. Right? Evening 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Compiler design going on. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. algo going on. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Compiler design going on. So after algo and CD, after algo and compiler design, the next thing what I will do is data structure and TOC I will start. Followed by computer network and discrete mathematics. Followed by digital, remaining subjects I will take care. There are so many teachers also available. First algo CD I started, followed by data structures and TOC, followed by computer network and discrete mathematics, right? So digital followed by some more subjects. So but some teachers also there to complete the remaining subjects. My suggestion is please utilize this batch so that you can complete the syllabus as early as possible. Myself I am handling approximately 8 subjects. 8 subjects I am handling. Approximately 8 subjects I am handling by myself. Remaining subjects, so many good teachers are there, you can utilize them. Advantage is, if you start now, advantage is you have enough time. You can complete the syllabus, you can revise, you can do a lot of practice also. My suggestion is start today. Today onwards you can start. Take the Unacademy subscription, guarantee you will get advantage. Right. Next one, you can go for iconic. 1.5 years iconic you can go. If your goal is 2024 GATE exam, 1.5 years iconic subscription you can take. So that if you take iconic, see, everything free. You no need to pay further. Go for iconic 1.5 years if you are really serious about GATE exam. Right? Use the referral code ReddySir to get 30% discount. Right, fine. Thank you so much for listening. Let's go to next problem. Thank you so much for listening. Let's go to the next problem. Right, read over. Next problem. T of n is equal to, next problem, T of n is equal to, everyone careful, T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. Otherwise, T n by 2 plus n. If n is greater than 1, can you try this? Can you try this problem? Hi Varun. Hi Varun. Hi Rohit. Hey, Varun, if you keep on thinking about the result, you don't get result. The things which are not there in our hand, we cannot think. The things which are not there in your hand, we cannot think. No use also. No use also. The only thing what you can do is, until GATE exam day, until last minute, please try your level best. Winners are always like this. Until last minute, they will do their best. This is the one of the greatest quality winners are having. Until last minute, they will try. Until last minute, you don't worry about the result. Whatever will come, will come. Whatever result will come. That's fine. Until last minute, you try. Yeah, Rohit is saying that, sir, even after revision, I am forgetting. Sir, even after revision, I am forgetting. That's what the Rohit is saying. So Rohit, not only you, everyone like that. Not only you, everyone like that. So my suggestion is every week one time you revise. And one more thing is, when you are doing the practice of the questions, wherever doubt is there, revise that topic again. Instead of revising entire subject, write the test series, write the one test, which questions you done wrong, go to corresponding part of that particular subject, that topic, revise one time. Instead of revising entire subject again, write the test. You should write the test. Find out where you done mistake. Go to notes that part. Revise once and come back. Only necessary part revise. Don't revise everything. It is a time consuming. So my suggestion is, don't think result. Do your best whatever you can do until last minute. What is the answer of this problem? So I will try. That is the problem. I will try now. Listen everyone. I will try this. It is a nice one. Can you check once? See everyone. Remember, according to this problem, careful, according to this problem, T10 is equal to, listen, T10 is equal to T10 by 2. T10 by 2 means 5. It is a 10. T10 is equal to T5 means half plus 10. Whatever is given, same thing will be added at the end, right? In between half, right? That is the given one. I'm starting. See this one. Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus n. That is the first step. Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus n. Next one. This is equal to Tn by 2 by 2, n by 2 square. Right? If n is there, here n by 2. So this n by 2, whatever is there by 2, see this one, whatever is there by 2, right? Fine. Right? Whatever is there, you have to add here. Plus this n is n. Check properly. Whatever is there, same by 2. Lastly, same thing you have to add. Fine, that's fine. Now see the one more time. It became Tn by 2 cube plus n by 2 square because of this, plus remaining things are as it is. Right. If you observe clearly, see this one. If you observe clearly, I done 3 times. If you observe clearly, I done 3 times. If you observe clearly, I done 3 times. Right? How? See this one. If you do 3 times, you got 2 cube. It is a 2 cube means it is a 2 square. It is a 2 square means it is a 2 power 1. It is a 2 power 1 means 2 power 0. If you do 3 times, right, you have to get in terms of 3. Yes, I got 2 cube. It is a 2 cube means it is a 2 square. It is a 2 square means 2 power 1. It is a 2 power 1 means 2 power 0. Next one. If you do 2 times, you can verify. 2 times means I got 2 square. It is a 2 power 1. It is a 2 power 0. Let's see the 1 time. If you do 1 time, n by 2 power 1. It is a 2 power 1 means it is a 2 power 0. Because of you are really fine. Let me do k time. If I do k times, it will become T of n by 2 power k. If you do k time, T of n by 2 power k. Now, it is a 2 power 3 means it is a 2 square. It is a 2 power k means n by 2 power k minus 1. N by 2 power k minus 2. 1 decreasing. Lastly, n by 2 power 1. N by 2 power 0. Check properly. Next one. What is the termination condition? Can you see the problem? N value 1, T1 is equal to 1. N value 1 means T1. T1 is equal to 1. T1 is equal to 1. Careful. So this should be 1. Let me write. N by 2 power k is equal to 1. N is equal to 2 power k. Log n base 2 is equal to k. So k value log n base 2. If you divide always by 2, log n will come. So k value log n base 2. Substitute now. This became T of n by 2 power log n base 2. Otherwise, if you want, you can substitute directly also. How? See this one. If you want, you can substitute directly. How? Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? See this one. See everyone? See this one. This one, see, all are correct. In this entire process, if you observe, this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. All 3 correct. You can use any one. Because these all came from same. Either all will be right or all will be wrong. How this only right? Right? This is right because of this is right. This is right because of this is right. So all right or all wrong. So you can use any one. You can use in this story anyone, right? So that you can save your time. Let me write now. N by 2 power k. See this one. N by 2 power k. It became 1. You can use all 3 people. Anyone you can use. So T of 1. See, N by 2 power k is 1. All 3 correct. Anyone you can use. Right, fine. That's okay. Fine. Next one. See everyone now. See everyone. In all the people, if you observe, right, I think n common. In all the people, if you observe, n common. So remaining things, let me write 1 by 2 whole power k minus 1. What is the k? Log n. Log n base 2 minus 1. K is log n. Log n base 2 minus 1. Next one. 1 by 2 log n base 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 log n base 2 minus 3. It will keep on going. Lastly, 1 by 2 whole power 1. 1 by 2 whole power 0. Be careful. See, mathematics, so many ways are there. When you say it is a mathematics, many ways. One of the way I am doing. Right? If you feel some other way better, you can go ahead. Now see this. T1 is 1. 1 plus. N common already. Now let me write this series reverse order. You can write whatever order you like. I am convenient like this I am writing. So if you write in the reverse order, it look like 1 by 2 whole power 0, 1 by 2 whole power 1, 1 by 2 whole square, and so on. 1 by 2 whole power log n base 2 minus 1. Simple, I written in the reverse order. See. Now if you observe clearly, it is a GP series. If you observe clearly, it is a GP series. It is a GP series. If you observe clearly, it is a GP series. It is a GP series, okay, but R value is 1 by 2. GP series where R value is 1 by 2. Be careful. GP series R value 1 by 2. You know, GP series R value less than 1 formula. R value is more than 1 formula. Sum of n terms in the GP series where R value less than 1 formula. R value more than 1 formula there. Some people don't know this fact. I got to know some students don't know this. If you don't know, listen one time. Listen one time. No need to scale. Listen one time. 1 plus n. So it is a GP series. How many terms are there? 0 to log n base to minus 1. 0 to log n minus 1. It's log n terms. It is a log n time GP series where R value 1 by 2. What is the formula? A into. What is the A? 1 by 2 whole power 0 means 1. 1 into. Remember, R value less than 1 formula. What is that one? 1 minus R power. This is a formula. See this one. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. If R value less than 1. If R is less than 1, this is the formula. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Let me do 1 plus n into A value how much? A value 1 by 2 whole power 0 means 1. 1 minus R value 1 by 2 whole power. How many terms are there? Log n base 2. Right? Log n base 2 by 1 minus R. 1 minus 1 by 2. Yeah, if you simplify this, listen, if you simplify this, 1 plus n into, listen, 1 plus n into, remember everyone, 1 minus, everyone listen, 1 minus 1 by 2 is, listen, 1 by 2 is very small. 1 by 2 is very small. 1 by 2 is 0.5. If you square it, it will become 0.25. Again, if you square 0.0625, what is the meaning? Less than 1. If you keep on multiplying log n time, this value becomes 0. Check if you want. If you want, you can verify. This value becomes 0. Why 0? Listen, why 0? The reason why 0 is this value can be written like this. So 1 by 2 power log n. 1 by 2 itself is 0.5. 1 by 2. See, this value is very big number. This became 1 by n. 1 by n become 0. Be careful. I am repeating once again. You only say 0.5 whole square. 0.25. Next one. 0.25 whole square. 0.0625. So what I want to say is less than 1, if you keep on multiplying many times, it will become 0. So this became 0. This is the twist in this problem. So this became now 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 1 by 2. It became 1 plus n into, I think this 1 minus 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 will become over. It will become 2. Finally, it became 1 plus 2n, which is nothing but n, theta of n, which is nothing but theta of n. Answer is theta of n. Remember, this formula is important. R value less than 1, GP series. This is the formula. This is the formula. If you do properly, 1 by 2 whole power log n. 1 by 2 is already less than 0.2, less than 1. Less than 1, if you square it, value decreasing. If you do once again square, value decreasing. If you do function time, means log n time, it became 0. How 0? 1 by 2 power log n, means 2 power log n becomes n. 2 power log n becomes n. 1 by n becomes 0. So this became 0. 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 1 by 2. It will become this 1 by 2 become over. It became 1 plus n into 2 by 1. It became 1 plus 2n at the theta of n. So what I want to say is, listen, don't do any shortcuts here. Don't do any shortcuts here. This is a very, very interesting problem. GP series coming less than R value less than 1. GP series coming R value less than 1. Answer is n. Yeah. So Umesh is saying that I can solve this problem using master theorem in 5 seconds. Yeah, if you know master theorem, you can go ahead. Right? Don't do any unnecessary thing. Means master theorem is a known one. You can apply. Because of you don't know master theorem, you applied something else. Umesh, you are correct. Right? If you know master theorem, you go. Because I didn't cover master theorem till now. So I cannot do master theorem. Using substitution method, how to solve it? This is the way. If anyone do shortcut, some problems will come. Those people who are watching, please check if you have any doubt. 3 times as usual. Substitute k value. You will get the GP series. Interesting thing is, here you got GP series, R value less than 1. R value more than 1, you know. Reverse of this formula. What is the formula? A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Reverse. R power n will come this side. If R value is more than 1, reverse. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus R. R minus 1. Because of less than 1 volta. Right? So please take care. Master theorem I didn't cover, so I cannot apply master theorem. To this problem, better approach is master theorem. Anyone having doubt, let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help. So yeah, I think Anjali is saying, sir, are there any questions which cannot be solved? That is the reason, right? That is the reason we have three methods. If everything can be done by master theorem, why I will explain this. Master theorem will solve only few problems. Out of 100 problems, master theorem will solve only 5 problems. Out of 100 problems, master theorem will solve only 10 problems. If master theorem can do everything, why I will explain substitution method to you? Master theorem will do only few. Recursive tree method will do few. Substitution method will do many problems. Every problem can be solved using substitution method. It may be time consuming, but it will solve every problem. Right? Master theorem will solve only few. Master theorem will solve only few. Recursive tree method will solve only few. You have to study all the methods. You have to study all the methods. Yeah, I think Utkarsh, are you there? Utkarsh Verma, are you there? Yes, yes. Yeah, using substitution method, you can solve every problem. It may be time consuming, but you can solve every problem. It may be time consuming, but you can solve every problem. Right? That is the reason I am explaining. Otherwise, I don't explain. Otherwise, I don't explain. Right? Let's start the next one. Let's start the next one. I don't know next one. Next problem. T of n is equal to T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. Otherwise 80n by 2 plus n square. If n greater than 1, can you complete this problem? Can you try this problem? Yeah, try this. Try properly. Yeah, someone saying n squared, someone is saying n cube. Please try once. I will give the answer. You try your answer. Right. Let me write the answer. I given enough time. Let me give the answer. I given enough time. Let me give the answer. I'm starting. See this one. I'm starting. Tn is equal to 8tn by 2 plus n square. Yeah, you can solve this problem using master theorem. You can solve this problem using master theorem. Worst case, you have to apply substitution method. That is the reason substitution method I am saying more problem. Tn is equal to 8tn by 2 plus n square. Tn is equal to 8tn by 2 plus n square. Now let's go to see this one. Before going to solve this problem, I will say a few things to you. See this one. If 10 is given, here 10 is given, 85. This 8 is fixed. If 10 is given, 85. This is 10 square. In the similar way, here 65 given. Not 65, let us assume that some otherwise fractions will come. Let me give some number. Here let us assume that 200 given. 200. Here 8 fixed, no change. It became 200 by 200. It is 200 square. Be careful. Before going to substitute, please cross check like this. Otherwise you may be confused. Please be careful. Just cross check. Right, now let me write now. Tn is equal to 8tn by 2 plus n square. Tn is equal to 8tn by 2 plus n square. Fine. Now see what I am doing. So Tn is equal to 8tn by 2. See this one. Everyone listen. This 8 is fixed. No change in the 8. Now listen. This one. Careful. This one. Tn by 2 is nothing but, listen. Tn by 2 is nothing but, see. First time substitution, this 8 came. It is the second time you are substituting this. Again 8 will come. 8t n by 2 by 2 n by 2 square plus, see this one, n there n square, n by 2 there, n by 2 whole square, plus outside this n square there as it is. This box, be careful. This box, be careful. That 8 is as it is, but tn by 2 internally contain one more 8. 8t n by 2 by 2 n by 2 square plus, if n there n square, n by 2 there n by 2 whole square, outside n square there. If you simplify, it became 8 square t n by 2 square plus 8 into n square by 4. 4 and 8 cancel. It became 2n square. 8 into n square by 4. 4 and 8 both cancel. So remaining is 2n square. Outside again n square there. If you do 2 times, this is the story. Let's do one more time. This 8 square is 8 square. No change. Now this one. Let me substitute. As it is, 8t n by 2 square by 2 cube plus n there n square, n by 2 square there. So n by 2 square whole square. Outside people as it is, 2n square plus n square. This n square came from here. This 2n square came from here. Now if you simplify 8 cube t n by 2 cube plus, right, 8 square into n square by 4 square means 16. Right? You only say 64 by 16. How much? 64 by 16. I think 8. 8. I think so. 8. 8 n square. 8 or 4. 64 by 4 square means 16. How much it is? Can you check? Is it 4? I think 4. 16 fours. 64. It is 4. 4n square, 2n square, n square. Remember, these two are copied, but this is came from here. 3 times I done, listen, 3 times I done, this is the story. Now after 3 times, stop it. After 3 times whoever stop, please see what is going on. After 3 times whoever stop it, please see what is going on. If I do 3 times, I got 3 here, I got 3. Compulsory in terms of 3 will come. If I do 3 times, compulsory 3 will come. So 8 cube Tn by 2 cube, see, both the places 3. It is the 3 means, right? It is the 3 means, I think it is 4 can be written as 2 square. It is that, right? Listen everyone now. It is the 2 cube means it is the 2 square. It is the 2 square means it is the 2 power 1. It is the 2 power 1 means it is the 2 power 0. Somehow, listen, whenever you say 3 times you done, in terms of 3 some story going on. See, here 8 cube, here 2 cube. 8 cube, 2 cube, 3 times, okay, fine. It is the 2 cube means next one is 2 square. Next one 2 power 1 square. Next one 2 power 0. If you do k time, if anyone have small objection also, please see. If you do k time, it became 8 power k. T n by 2 power k plus 8 power k. T n by 2 power k. Can you say this can be written as, I think, n square common. If you observe clearly, series if you write from this side, it became 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and so on. What is the answer? If it is 2 power k, it is the 2 power k minus 1. If it is 3, 2 cube, it is the 2 square. If it is the 2 power k, it is the 2 power k minus 1. Now, this should be a termination. What is the answer? If you see the termination, n by 2 power k is equal to 1. N is equal to 2 power k. K is equal to log n base 2. These 3 people all are same. You can use anyone. Out of those 3, anyone you can use. N by 2 power k is equal to 1. N is equal to 2 power k. K is equal to log n base 2. Right? This will become, listen, this will become 8 power k value log n base 2. But the t of 1 is 1 plus n square into see this one 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and so on. This became 2 power log n base 2 minus 1. Right? Now simplify it. It became, listen everyone now, it became do you know this formula or not? I don't know. Listen, there is a one formula. 8 power log n base 2, you can spare these two. There is a one formula. 8 power log, in the power log is there, you have to apply this formula. 8 power log n base 2 can be written as, n will come down, n power log 8 base 2 plus n square into, this GP series you can solve. Can you say a value 1 into, r value is more than 1. So, r power n, 2 power, how many terms are there? Log n terms. Minus 1 by r minus 1, 2 minus 1. So this will become n power log 8 base 2 is n cube plus n square into, if you observe clearly, right, in the similar way, same formula, n will come down, 2 will go up. It will become n, right, it will become n minus 1 by 1. Forget about minus 1 plus 1, this became n cube plus n cube, which will become, forget about minus 1 plus 1, 2n cube, which is nothing but theta of n cube. Answer is n cube. You can apply master theorem also. Afterwards I will explain. You can apply master theorem also. Afterwards I will apply. Answer is n cube. Master theorem also you can apply. So can I go to next problem? Anyone having doubt, let me know. Yeah, this is the procedure. See the first, see the problem one time. See, this is the given recurrence relation. Try to understand the recurrence relation first. Try to understand the recurrence relation first. Try to understand the recurrence relation first. See, 3 times you do first. After 3 times over, identify what is going on. Right? Afterwards, go k time. You got some series. This is the series. K times if you go, you got some series. Find the k value and substitute. You got answer as NQ. That is the answer. Now go to the next one. Now go to the next one. Write down this also. T of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1. Otherwise, Tn by 2 plus c, where c is constant. If n is greater than 1. Can you go ahead? What is the answer for this? Someone is saying log n. I think 2 people saying log n. Let me try this. Remember, it is a constant. Let me see this. Everyone listen. Constant means it don't change. See this one. You given 10, it is 5, but it is a constant. You given 50, it is 25, it is constant. You given 600, this is by 2 means 300, it is C, it don't change. That's the meaning of constant. If you okay, can you see this? T of n is equal to Tn by 2 plus C, which can be again one more time T n by 2 square plus C for this plus C. Next one, if I go one more time, T n by 2 cube plus C, already 2 more 6. So if you observe, this is the story. 3 times if you do, I think if you do, because of 3 steps are over, observe what is going on. 3 steps over, observe what is going. 3 times you got 3 here, so 3 C's. You done 3 times, so you got 3 C's. If you do k times, it became T of n by 2 power k plus kc. So next one, n by 2 power k is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 power k, right? N is equal to 2 power k, log n is base 2 is equal to k. it will become t of 1. It will become c into log n base 2. It will become theta of log n base 2. Answer is log n base 2. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Yeah, go to the next problem. Tn is equal to 1 if n is equal to 2. Otherwise root n t root n plus n if n greater than 2. Can you try this? So let me do this. It is a little bit tough. Let me do once. This problem little bit tough. Let me do once. See everyone. Here, if at all, see this one. If at all here, suppose I assume that 1000. Sorry, 100. 100 is you. If it is 100, root 100, so 10. T root 100, 10. It is 100. Root 100, so 10 into 10. Yeah, fine. If 100 is given, see this one. 100 is given. First two places, root. Last place, as it is. 100 is given. First two places, root. Last place, no root. So if you okay, I will execute now. First understand. So I done that. Now let's go to answers. See this. Tn is equal to n power 1 by 2 t n power 1 by 2 plus n. Next one. N power 1 by 2 as it is. No change. But see, this one you have to expand. Be careful. Whatever is given, first root for that. Next one, again root. Plus, outside as it is. This n anyhow there outside. This n is came from here. Check. That's the meaning of understanding. Now, can you simplify this? If you simplify, it became n power 1 by 2 into n power 1 by 2 square. Everyone know, right? Multiplying these two means power you have to add. It became 3 by 2 square. Check. T n power 1 by 2 square. Plus, I think root n if you multiply, it became n. N plus n. Check one time. I done many times. My hand is moving so fast. I done many times. My hand is moving so fast. You cannot compare my hand and your hand. When you do many times, right, you will also become same. So this problem and this answer both are there in my cache memory. That is the reason. So I may do little faster than you because I done many times. If you give new one, whatever way your brain and your hand is stuck, similar way, same thing will happen to me. So no need to think about the speed and all. Are you getting or not? Check. When you do few times practice from your side, then everything will be okay. Maybe, I think delivers, maybe you are right. I think so. Let's see once. I don't know. I didn't by-hearted the answer. I by-hearted the procedure. Just try. Because of many times I done, automatically it got by heart. Let's see what will happen. Next one. If I do one more time, listen. If I do one more time, n power 3 by 2 square outside, this one expand. Then it became whatever is there root. N power 1 by 2 cube. T n power 1 by 2 cube. Plus whatever is there as it is. Outside anyhow 2 n's are there. If you simplify properly, n power 3 by 2 square into n power 1 by 2 cube. Multiplying means powers adding. It became n power 7 by 2 cube. T n power 1 by 2 cube. So if you multiply this one and this one, right? So powers you have to add, it became n. Outside 2 n's are there as it is. Right? Now see this one. If you do 3 times, carefully everyone observe. If you do 3 times, I done 3 times. If you do 3 times, you got 2 cube. Definitely in terms of 3 should come. If you do 3 times, definitely in terms of 3. It is a 2 cube. It is also 2 cube. It is 3. 3 times. But the interesting thing is, what is this 7? It should also be in terms of 3 only. I think this is 2 cube minus 1. Check. If I do 3 times, I got 2 cube. It is also 2 cube. It is 3 times. But what is this 7? Right? I think it looks like in terms of 3, 2 cube minus 1. For clarification, can you go over one time? 3 times, this is the story. 2 times check. If you do 2 times, it is a 2 square. It is a 2 times. It is also 2 square, but it is 2 square minus 1. Yes, exactly. I know very well. there should be some relation. 3 times you done, there should be a relation with 3. 2 times you done, there is a relation with 2. 1 time you done, there is a relation with 1. Let's check. 1 time if you do n power 1 by 2 power 1, 1n. This is also 2 power 1. This one if you observe 2 power 1 minus 1. I think exactly. Because if I got clarity, go k times. If you go k time, this will become n power 2 power k minus 1 by 2 power k. T of n power 1 by 2 power k plus this became kn. Now this should be termination condition. Let me write n power, careful everyone, n power 1 by 2 power k is equal to 2. See the termination. Given termination is this. Given termination is I want 2. See, this one should be 2. See the termination. See, n value 2 is the termination. So, n power 1 by 2 power k is equal to 2. Apply log. 1 by 2 power k, log n base 2 is equal to 1. Log n base 2 is equal to 2 power k. Log n base 2 is equal to k. K is log n. Remember in the entire process, any one you can use. 4 people. In the entire process, use any one so that you can save your time. Then what will happen is this became do properly. This became n power 1 minus 1 by 2 power k. This became t of 2. This became, what is the k value? Log n. Log n into n. So if you observe clearly this one, this is nothing but n power 1 by 2 power k. It is the t of 2. It is n into log n. Now if you simplify properly, this can be written as n by n power 1 by 2 power k. N power 1 by 2 power k. It is 2. This is 2 into t of 2 also 2 plus n log n. 2 cancel. Finally n plus n log n, which will become theta of n log n. Answer is n log n. Answer is n log n. Answer is n log n. Please take care. Answer is n log n. Check anyone having doubt. This is the one of the toughest problem. This is the one of the toughest problem. This problem you got means substitution method you got. This problem you got means substitution method you got. You got this problem means substitution method you got. Yeah, see, first to do 3 rounds, we substitute 3 rounds properly. First round, second round, third round. Do 3 rounds properly. If you do 3 rounds, observe what is going on. Go k times. Do formalities. This one, if anyone didn't get, please recheck once again, you will get it. 3 times you substitute, go k times. See, when you went to k time using termination condition, see four possibilities came. Any one you can use because all will be true or no one will be true. one true, another one not true, it don't work out. In the entire procedure, all are true. All are true or no one is true. Same thing here also. Same thing here also. So today I done so many problems. Today I done so many problems in my opinion. Let's check once. Example 1. Example 1. Example 2. All are nice problems. Example 3. Example 4. Example 5. All are danger. All are danger. All are danger. My suggestion is tomorrow is last class. My suggestion is tomorrow is last class. If anyone really want to write GATE examination for 2024, my suggestion is, right, please join the plus class or iconic class. You will get lot of advantage. See in the YouTube itself, free classes itself, Unacademy is providing is like this. You can imagine if you join the plus, how many advantages are there. No institute will provide freely these many. Unacademy providing freely these many means if you go inside the Unacademy platform, you will get lot of advantage. You will get positive only. There is no negative. My suggestion is 2024. If you are serious, take the iconic subscription for 1.5 years. Right? Use the referral code ReddySir. You will get 30% discount. Tomorrow morning there is a algo class is going on. Tomorrow morning 6 a.m. algo class is going on. Don't miss it out. Right? Evening compiler design going on. As soon as these two over, data structures and POC will start. Compiler, computer network, discrete mathematics, digital, followed by some more subjects. Right? Trust me, it will be really useful to you. Thank you so much for attending. Right? Let's meet tomorrow once again at 9 p.m. Thank you so much.